Lone Wolf Customs here once again. Classic black fitech fuel injection unboxing. Now I bought this from Speedway Motors for $912. My understanding is correct. This unit here only has come out in 2020. I'll go through the box, show you what I see, what's in it, and tell you what I notice is different between the older systems, and maybe you might want to buy one. I looked online, and at the making of this video, nobody has made a video about the classic black, which is a different unit than your regular fitech fuel injection. This is a 550 horsepower unit. First of all, when you open the box, literature, a little bit of instructions, which is always handy when you have instructions. Some more instructional stuff and manuals on how to operate the new style controller. Warning. We don't need no stinking warnings. Alright. Pull off the little thing, and there you go. There's all the odds, ends, and coverings. Here's the new controller. What's nice about the new controller, by what I understand, is one, you actually got buttons instead of a little joystick. And two, it actually has a plug in instead of the two audio jacks that plug in the top. So that'll be nice. Of course, in a later video I'll have to do showing all the odds and ends and all that. Some hose clamps. Here's the harness. I'm hooked on something. What am I hooked on? Let's see. Some gaskets. That's always nice to have. There's that fancy throttle body. I guess this thing might still be plugged into it. Big factor is a factor on the other fitechs is the brain is built into the throttle body, which one gives you a clean look, but there's a lot of heat there and issues. The nice thing about this, the brain mounts on your firewall, which also means if something goes wrong with the brain, you maybe can send the brain back and, you know, don't have to take your whole system off. But external brain, it's a nice feature. I think this is actually plugged into the brain, so I can't even pull the harness all the way out. What's this? Oh yeah, that's the wire for the controller. Alright. USB hookup. Your window holder for your fitech. Your oxygen sensor. Your oxygen plate for your exhaust. A plug. No, that's an adapter for your water temp sensor. And this is probably the water temp sensor in this box. Give me a second. Water temp sensor. Let's see, how can I get this out with one hand? Guess you hold the box with one knee and pull her up. I don't know. Hold up. Got shit going everywhere. Anyways. Move the cords around. Flip that upside down. There, now we can see. Set it down. There's that. Harness already all plugged in. I don't know why this piece of electrical tape looks like it's coming off, but all in all, first impressions. Looks like a cool little unit. There's the injectors up in there. Bottom, a little bit of scratching in the flange, but that ain't no big deal. The gasket will take care of that. This is as seen as I got it. I didn't and of course, you know, it's still in the box, so I haven't hooked it up, so I don't know what it's going to do. You'll have to stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment, all those wonderful things for future videos of this on the 72 Hemi Swap step-side truck project that's coming up. So I guess I'll take a few still shots and throw at the end of this, and I'll see you next time. Bye.